Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Agrawal and I'm a clinical dietitian. Today I'm here to discuss a very important topic, which is gas or flatulence formation. I will be giving you simple tips to deal with these. First of all, let us understand that why does flatulence happen? What are the possible causes for it? It can majorly occur due to three reasons. First reason can be because of constipation. When our stomach doesn't get cleared properly, what happens is that whatever waste material is left in our intestine, it is broken down by the friendly bacteria, and this gas is released in this process, which is known as methane, and this methane is felt as gas or flatulence in our body. Second reason for gas formation can be acidity. Now what happens is that acid is produced in our digestive juices in order to digest protein. Now, when we are empty stomach for a very long period, or we eat foods which encourage the production of acid, for example, protein, fiber, spicy food, then sudden influx of acid happens. And since there was nothing present in your stomach previously, this acid cannot distinguish between the protein of the food or protein of the body. So it starts acting on the lining of your stomach, on the lining of your intestine, and that is when you start feeling the burning sensation, gas, bloating and discomfort. So this can be the second reason that you might be having gas. Third reason is long gapping between meals. So like I said, that when there is nothing in your stomach for a very long time and you suddenly eat anything which encourages the inflow of acid, then all this acid will start acting upon your stomach lining and therefore produce a lot of gas. So therefore let me tell you simple tips to deal with these problems. First and foremost is that if your gas formation is due to any other indigestion, hot water, lukewarm water of fennel seeds is very effective in dealing with bloating as well as gas. But if you are feeling if you are feeling gas due to acidity, then you can use this decoction. It will help you, and it is capable of curing any kind of acidity. So what you have to do is, for making 1 glass of this decoction, you need 50% of water, that is half glass of water, half glass of milk. Put them together, put 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, boil it together. Now cool it to room temperature and have 150 ml of this decoction at one time, and after 2 to 3 hours repeat. So in a day you can consume maximum of 1 liter of this decoction if you have severe acidity. If you have mild acidity, 1 or 2 glasses are sufficient. Now moving on to the second tip. If you are feeling discomfort in your stomach and if you are feeling gaseous and flatulence, what you can do is you can take small quantity of asfoetida, also known as heme, soak it in water and then make a paste out of it. Rub it around your navel area. Just leave it there, and within few minutes you will start feeling comfort. Asfoetida has natural debloating properties. It has natural anti flatulence properties. So this tip will also help you. Now third tip for avoiding gas formation is eat every 2 to 2.5 hours. Don't give long gaps between your meals. If you do not eat for more than 2.5 hours, then most likely acidity might occur, and that will lead to a lot of gas formation. So eating small but frequent meals is suggested if you want to avoid gas formation. Fourth tip for avoiding gas formation is do not eat protein or fiber on an empty stomach. For example, you had your meal at 10 a.m. You had your breakfast. Now at 2 p.m. you are supposed to have your lunch. Never start your lunch by having sprouts or chicken or any proteinaceous, or do not start your lunch with salads, because fiber and protein both will invite more acid in your stomach, and since your stomach is empty because the last meal that you had have been long digested, it will start producing more acid. It will start digesting your stomach lining and therefore producing a lot of gas and giving you a lot of discomfort. Simple way to avoid this is start your meal. If there is a long gap, try to avoid gap, but if there is a long gap, start your meal with a simple carb. So eat half a chapati first, or eat some rice first, a piece of bread, some biscuit, and then start your meal. Then this meal will never give you any gas, discomfort or acidity. Final tip for avoiding gas formation is never drink your tea or coffee on an empty stomach. So same principle applies here also. Tea has tannin and coffee has caffeine. Both of them have they encourage the production of acid in our body. So if we take them without taking anything first, then what happens is that this acid will start damaging our stomach lining and therefore producing gas and discomfort. So what you need to do is you need to eat a biscuit, bread, some murmura, any simple carb before you eat, before you take your tea or coffee. If you follow these 5 simple tips, you can easily get rid of gas and flatulence, and this will increase your output, and this will keep your day more simple and more effective. So if these tips were helpful, if you found this video useful, do share it with your friends, family, your colleagues, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.